winner.
Is our swimmer in swimsuit provider, Mr. Sonny Boy Mendo, together with Mr. David Sinyar.
Okay, let's begin with our Hari winner.
Congratulations once again, Hari ng Pulilan. And now,
hayaan mo ikaw kita sa pagkakita.
congratulations.
Awarding our Hari Best in Tourism Video winner are Officer of San Rafael, Mr. Benedict Bendion, Municipal Tourism Officer of Angat, Ms. Christine Sharwat at Trinidad, Municipal Tourism Officer of North Sagaray, Attorney John.
Naramdaman niyo ba yung init tonight?
Participating and for voting for our contestants. And now,
hard work and discipline to achieve these bodies. And I think they brought their A game tonight, right?
tama ka naman dyan, Sam. Talaga naman, kitang resulta.
Once again, our Hari Karina ng Singkapan 2025 Swimmer and Swimsuit Competition. Hari at Karina ng Singkapan 2024, second runner-up, Ms. Daniel de la Cruz and Ms. Bianca Bautista together with Vice